What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you the 3 pepper varieties that are super prolific and wonderful tasting. So I will first show you the hot pepper that I'm growing. Jalapeno, the classic jalapeno. Now if you're not into spicy things, just grow the habanada or the jalafuego, which is a little bit spicy but nowhere near as spicy. Then we have the cubanelle pepper plant. This has been super prolific. Sure, it has dropped some blossoms, so it's not great in super hot weather, but I picked 4 giant, like 6-inch peppers already off of it, and it's still got another, you can see in there 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's still producing all the way up here. And you can see how big this pepper plant is, and you know how the second and third flushes will probably get out of it, which is just amazing. And finally, last but not least, is my shishito pepper plant. It's probably the darkest green out of all the 3, but look how many buds it's holding on to even in 95, 100 degree heat. And it even has peppers on it in this heat. It's producing peppers. And it's just a wonderful little plant. I mean, look at that one right there. So it's amazing to see all these little peppers. You can see 3 more right there that are forming. So this bush really loves the heat. It'll take the heat like a champion. It's a stir-frying pepper. It's kind of sweet, maybe occasionally you'll get one that has a little bit of a kick, but in general this one is not spicy. Others I've heard that do well is like the jalafuego. If you don't like spice, like I mentioned earlier, there are like some bell type peppers that I've heard that do well. But if you're growing any, please leave a comment, because I want to try as many things as I can in my garden. As you can see, next year I could even put another pepper plant in between here, so maybe I could have 5 pepper plants. But just leave me some ideas, suggestions. I hope you subscribe too, like this video to see more gardening content like this.